Yeah.
I did not. Hi.
Okay.
Meeting my big brother in the 80s. Everybody know him, very well known. Today I get a chance to meet him at another community event. I just want to let him know and also thank you for your hard work, for your inspiration, everything you did for us growing up. I watch you, I look up to you, and you have inspired me to become who I am today.
I'm very
Bye-bye.
proud of you.
Just
Okay.
kidding.
I will join you.
Okay, now, would you say, do you have something to say? What is your legacy, you think?
I think the thing that's good for us that we share the knowledge. This is very important for human being. And especially they say that you teach them how to fish, not to give them the fish. This is very good. Okay. So sharing. Sharing, caring. That's very important for us as a living a person in the society. Okay.
So thank you for your leadership, your friendship, your father figure.
Okay.
You did so much. You went door to door.
Okay,
helping family.
I
In the
like
80s.
I like your compassion.
Compassion,
Yeah.
passion, and compassion.
Yeah.
That's because of you. You
Yeah.
worked hard for us. So we have to continue your legacy.
Yeah, I am very proud of you. Keep doing the thing that's
Yes.
it's right. That's what.
How did you accomplish so much? You raised a beautiful family. You have a beautiful wife that she loves you. Everybody know your wife loves you
My
so much.
advice is determination first, and you need to know what is it that you want to achieve, and the goal and the purpose to reach that goal. Should be a very well planned, step by step, because things like you observe the nature, how it's grow. So human life is the same thing. You need to know first the the first step in order to advance to the next step. Okay, don't forget about that. And you keep doing what is right. It's good. It's very well received and recognized by your society. Okay.
And I think the great thing about you, you're not only making a difference in our community in the U.S., but you also spent maybe at least 10 years in Cambodia as well.
Yeah, I went back to Cambodia and teach for 21 years, especially for the young generation. I have been teaching economics, finance, and also leadership, all of those things to especially the graduate school, like young folk who want to become a master of something. That's the master degree I taught them, and also the doctorate degree also in Cambodia. So we created a school. It's called University of Panyasas of Cambodia, Panyasasra University of Cambodia.
Panyasa means?
Panyasas
people don't
means
understand.
you use all the knowledge that's
Mindset, skill set, soft skill, everything.
build up.
So how is your organization different from Dr. Meng Lee, Good Meng Lee, got also in education?
He has his own organization, own school. But we, the expatriate from here, like Dr. Kolpeng and some other friends, we build our school at Panyasasa University of Cambodia. We're well known in the region, and especially also in the U.S. and also in Europe. We have been partnering with all the higher education institutions around the world also. Okay.
Amazing.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mom. I'll